Welcome! Another lavish pieces by the Hemmendingers. We occasionally document all the houses that we renovate by filming and sharing out our works.
Just explain you, so this water is going from here to here.
Here in Japan, if you found your perfect house, it will be more perfect once it's renovated. Buying old homes can be a gamble, and when you add in a renovation, things can get tricky. By renovating a traditional Japanese house, there can be joy, novelty, and stimulation in continuing to reuse and treasure the same old structure. Even with renovations,